Hey sneaker lover, this is HighFoot review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic sneaker Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Year of the Dragon. One of the best thing is this video is officially sponsored by onebyonesneaker.com for top replicas for most popular brands like Nike, Yeezy and luxury labels such as Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Affordable prices, secure payments and global shipping. Also, you can use my discount code OBO HighFoot for 10% off on every order. Shop now at obosneaker.com. You can save money on your first order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to unboxing with great music.